Every Mars mission begins with years of preparation. Engineers test fuel, oxygen, computers, and safety systems because one small mistake can destroy the entire mission. This shows how science starts on Earth before reaching space. Astronauts are chosen for strength, intelligence, and courage. They represent all humanity, carrying the dream of exploring another planet and proving that humans can survive beyond Earth. Space missions are emotionally difficult because astronauts leave their families for many months with great risks. This shows that space exploration requires not only science, but also emotional sacrifice. Mission control is the brain on Earth. Scientists monitor fuel, oxygen, navigation, and communication. Even in space, astronauts depend on thousands of experts back home. This is the final step before leaving Earth. The spacecraft becomes their new home and survival system, protecting them from vacuum, radiation, and extreme temperatures. Every second matters before launch. Scientists check all systems carefully because one small error can cause mission failure. Precision is the heart of space science. Rocket engines create massive power using fuel and fire. This follows Newton's third law. Pushing gases downward forces the rocket upward against gravity. The rocket escapes Earth's gravity using extreme speed and power. This moment represents humanity breaking natural limits and reaching for the stars. Crossing the atmosphere means entering the vacuum of space where there is no air or protection. This is the true beginning of the interplanetary journey. From space, Earth looks small and fragile. This reminds us how precious our planet is and how all human life depends on this tiny blue world. In space, survival depends on machines. Fuel, oxygen, and navigation must be checked constantly because even a small problem can become deadly. Eating in zero gravity is very different from Earth. Space food is specially designed so astronauts can stay healthy and avoid danger inside the spacecraft. Without gravity, muscles and bones become weak. Daily exercise is necessary because the human body is naturally designed for life on Earth, not space. Solar panels use sunlight to create electricity for life support and computers. The sun becomes the main power source for survival far from Earth. Space is full of dangerous fast-moving particles. Even tiny meteors can damage the spacecraft, showing that deep space is far more dangerous than it looks. Small engine burns change the spacecraft's path. In space, tiny navigation mistakes can become huge failures, so mathematics controls every movement. Long missions create loneliness and mental pressure. Astronauts must stay emotionally strong because space exploration tests both the mind and the body. Seeing Mars proves months of travel were successful. Mars is humanity's next possible home and a major step toward becoming a multi-planet species. To enter Mars orbit, speed must be perfect. Too fast means missing Mars, too slow means crashing. This is one of the mission's most dangerous moments. Mars captures the spacecraft with its gravity. This means humans have successfully reached another world and can begin studying the red planet closely. From orbit, astronauts study Mars valleys, mountains, and dust storms. This helps scientists understand the planet's past and whether life may have once existed there. Special instruments scan the Martian surface for water signs, minerals, and safe landing zones. Science from orbit helps prepare future human landings on Mars. Orbiting Mars several times allows accurate mapping and deeper research. Repeated observation gives better scientific data than a single quick pass. The crew sends mission reports back to Earth. This allows scientists worldwide to study Mars data and helps mission control guide the astronauts safely. Returning home requires as much planning as arriving. Fuel, timing, and navigation must be exact because there is no second chance in deep space. The spacecraft uses engine power to escape Mars gravity. This marks the end of exploration and the beginning of the long journey back to Earth. Mars becomes smaller behind them while Earth remains far away. This reminds us how vast space is and how difficult interplanetary travel truly is. Astronauts continue maintenance, repairs, and daily routines. Discipline is necessary because survival in space depends on constant attention and teamwork. As Earth becomes larger, the crew prepares for the most dangerous final stage, re-entering the atmosphere safely without losing control or burning up. The service module separates because only the return capsule can survive re-entry heat. This is a critical engineering step for a safe landing. The capsule enters Earth's atmosphere at extreme speed, creating intense heat and fire. Heat shields protect the astronauts from deadly temperatures. The capsule lands in the ocean to reduce impact force. Splashdown is safer than land impact and allows rescue teams to recover astronauts quickly. The entire world watches because this mission belongs to humanity, not just one nation. Space success inspires hope, science, and future generations. Helicopters and ships recover the astronauts immediately after landing. Medical checks are important because the human body changes after long periods in space. Opening the hatch proves the mission is safely completed. After months of danger, the astronauts finally breathe Earth's air again. People celebrate because the astronauts returned safely after achieving something extraordinary. Their success becomes a symbol of national pride and human achievement. Stepping back on Earth is both physical and emotional. Gravity feels heavy again, and the astronauts return as heroes of exploration. The astronauts share scientific discoveries and personal experiences. Their knowledge helps improve future missions and inspires the next generation of explorers. Mars orbit is only the beginning. Scientists now prepare for the next step: human landing and permanent exploration of the red planet. Looking at Mars again shows that exploration never truly ends. Humanity always moves forward, and today's mission becomes tomorrow's new beginning.